Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Yes, birds should not be offered many of the foods humans eat. Bread, fresh or stale, provides no real nutritional value for birds. Moldy bread can harm birds. Chocolate. Toxic to birds, just as it is to dogs and cats. It contains theobromine. Never offer birds any foods containing chocolate.
Take our lead.
Although many people are aware that dogs can't eat chocolate, it is actually a very common intolerance for most mammals. From ferrets to pigs, cats to poultry, accidental ingestion of large amounts of the cocoa-based product could result in chocolate toxicity, which can be fatal. 19 March 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
It won't hurt your dog. It won't hurt your dog. The amount of chocolate in a single M&M is negligible even for a very small dog. Even a whole 1.7-ounce packet of milk chocolate M&Ms could make a small dog sick, but it isn't likely to cause symptoms in a medium or large dog.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.